Imagine making money while you sleep, with the power of AI doing all the heavy lifting for you. Sounds too good to be true? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how it's possible. Welcome back to Digital Profit Plus, where we help you turn your passion into profit with low investment. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. In this video, we'll explore 6 AI-powered tools that you can use to create digital products and generate passive income. From content creation to website management, these tools can help you automate and scale your business effortlessly. GravityWR is an advanced AI tool designed to help you create high-quality written content in just minutes. Whether you need blog posts, ebooks, social media content, or marketing copy, GravityWR makes it incredibly easy. All you have to do is input a topic or a few keywords, and the AI generates well-structured, engaging content tailored to your needs. It's perfect for entrepreneurs, bloggers, or marketers who want to save time and boost productivity. With its built-in SEO optimization and customizable writing styles, you can create professional content that ranks well and connects with your audience. Whether you're launching a new site or need fresh content regularly, GravityWR can help you scale your content creation and even offer writing services for passive income. Webspace Kit is an AI-powered website builder that allows anyone to create professional and stunning websites without needing coding skills. It comes with a wide range of pre-designed templates and an intuitive drag-and-drop editor, making it perfect for beginners or busy entrepreneurs. The AI assists with design suggestions, ensuring your site looks great, is mobile-friendly, and SEO optimized. With Webspace Kit, you can easily customize layouts, integrate e-commerce features, and even optimize your site for search engines, all with AI-driven recommendations. Whether you're creating a blog, portfolio, or online store, Webspace Kit simplifies the process. You can use Webspace Kit to create niche websites for affiliate marketing or offer web design services to clients, generating passive income with minimal effort. Make Your WP is an AI-powered tool that simplifies WordPress management, perfect for anyone running multiple websites or offering web services. This tool automates routine tasks like updates, backups, security checks, and even performance optimization, saving you time and effort. No need to worry about manually updating plugins or themes. Make Your WP handles it all, ensuring your sites run smoothly and securely. With Make Your WP, you can focus on growing your business while the AI takes care of the technical side. It's an excellent tool for creating and managing passive income streams by handling your WordPress websites effortlessly and efficiently. Whether you're managing your own blogs or client websites, Make Your WP is a game-changer in website automation. Grammarly is an AI-powered writing assistant that helps you create clear, mistake-free content, no matter what you're writing: emails, blog posts, social media updates, or professional documents. It goes beyond basic spell check by offering suggestions for grammar, punctuation, sentence structure, and even tone and style, helping you improve your overall writing quality. One of Grammarly's standout features is its real-time feedback, which highlights errors and offers suggestions as you type. Plus, with advanced features like plagiarism detection and style recommendations, Grammarly helps you write confidently and professionally. Whether you're a student, entrepreneur, or content creator, Grammarly ensures your writing is polished and impactful, saving you time and enhancing your communication. Mangools is a powerful suite of AI-driven SEO tools designed to help you optimize your website and improve its search engine ranking. Whether you're doing keyword research, tracking rankings, or analyzing competitors, Mangools makes the process easy and efficient. Its user-friendly interface allows even beginners to dive into SEO without being overwhelmed by technical jargon. Key tools include KW Finder for finding low-competition keywords, SERP Checker for analyzing search engine results pages, and Link Miner for tracking backlinks. With AI-powered insights, Mangools helps you uncover valuable SEO opportunities and boost your website's visibility. If you're looking to attract more organic traffic and grow your online presence, Mangools is an essential tool for both beginners and experts. Pictory AI is a cutting-edge AI-powered tool that simplifies video creation for content creators, marketers, and businesses. It allows you to turn text, blog posts, or scripts into engaging videos in just a few minutes, without needing advanced video editing skills. With its AI-driven technology, Pictory AI automatically selects relevant visuals, adds transitions, and even includes background music, transforming your content into a polished, professional video. The platform also offers features like auto-captioning and summarization, making your videos more accessible and shareable. Whether you're creating promotional content, educational videos, or social media clips, Pictory AI streamlines the process, helping you produce high-quality videos with minimal effort. It's perfect for boosting your content strategy and increasing audience engagement. There you have it, 6 powerful AI tools that can help you create digital products and generate passive income. Whether you're into writing, web design, or video creation, there's something here for everyone. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit from these ideas. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.